Hello, Butterfly. Welcome to Butterfly Dreams. I am Stephanie, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you and a little mini unboxing of these masks that I got by Viviana Grondona. She is a Colombian pop artist and illustrator, and I just love her art so much, and I wanted to share it with you guys because you definitely need to check her out if you're into this style of pop art and colors. Just everything she creates is divine. You need to follow her Instagram, and I'll put it on the screen so you can check it out yourself, and I'll also link it in the box below. So she was here in Miami, and she brought, some of her items that she sells. All of her stuff is super duper cute. I wish I could have bought more. She also has like a calendar. I think she's gonna offer planners soon, which is really cool. But I just got these couple of things. And so first things first, let me show you this. Put this to the side for now. These are pins, and I love just everything, her inspirational quotes, her colors. These are pins. You can put them on your jean jacket. You can put them on your planner pouches. I'm even considering like popping these off and making myself some croc charms with these. I'm not sure, but these are so super cute. I also thought, this would be great for friend mail, just a little something. You have 6 pins here, so you can just definitely send it off to your pen pals, your gal pals, especially as Galentine is nearing. It's always sweet to send something to someone. So as you can see, there's this one that says art. This one, which is one of my favorites because especially it's my word of the year, my magic, magia. So this one says you're pure magic. This one is another little heart with fire in it. This is a rainbow. And this is just a little guy with a star. I think this is from a book, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if you know what this is from. I have a feeling this is in reference to something. I'm not sure. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm just making that up. And the happy face. Oh, I love this happy face. I don't know why it's a simple happy face, but it just literally makes me smile like this. And the fact that it's pink, maybe that's what it is. And also, this is her Instagram where she sells her things. And then this is her personal Instagram is at Viviana Grondona on Instagram as well. And then I bought this pop socket. It says you're pure magic. It's going to be perfect to start off my year and go with my theme, my word of the year, magia. So I thought I needed this in my life. Right now, I don't have a pop socket on my phone, so this is going to come in very, very handy. And then I'm so excited about this box right here because I'm going to cut it up and use it in my crafts and maybe a junk journal, maybe in my regular, by the way, my kids are here and they're being rowdy. I cannot wait for them to go back to school. So this says vida solo una, which is there's only one life. And then this says un día a la vez. So I'm excited to use the box in my craft. Maybe I won't even tear it apart. I don't know if I'll have the audacity to take it apart. I don't know. It's a cute little box. Maybe I won't do anything to it. But then again, I don't know. Maybe eventually I will. It says amate, protégete, valórate, cuídate. So amate, love yourself, protect yourself, value yourself, and take care of yourself. I love this box. It's also a great gift for Valentine's, for your gal pal. Oh my god, the box is magnetic. Oh my gosh. And look at the beautiful color inside. This attention to detail, it's so cute. I love the packaging. I love everything about it. It brings, oh, this is perfect for my planner. Let's see. Vida solo una y solo tú puedes hacer que las cosas pasen. So there's only one life and only you can make things happen. One day at a time. Un día a la vez. This is so cute. This is definitely going in my planner. In my Hobonichi, probably. Yeah, most likely. And these are just masks. They're so cute. I can't wait to wear these. Give my life a little bit of color. I love the material. It's very soft, very comfortable, because now that I've been wearing masks for a while, I'm kind of picky with what I wear, and I definitely need something to not suffocate me, if you know what I mean. Oh, look, and it even has her signature on here. That is so adorable. What are these called? The straps, I guess. They seem a little bit stretchy, not too much. They also have this metal piece for the nose, which is great, especially when I wear my glasses. This helps for them not to fog up. So what I do is I put the metal piece on my nose, nice and snug, and then I put my glasses over them. But this is really nice. So nice. Love it. Inside it has sort of like a jersey knit fabric. Yeah, and outside is a different type of material, but it's soft. Now let's look at the other one. Oh, I love these colors. These are definitely my colors. Very Butterfly Dreams aesthetic. And this also has her signature. It also has a quote, the same one that's on the outside of the box. So that's sweet. That's really sweet. These are nice. Oh man, I really like it. So freaking cute. Okay, and then let's look at the next one. I'll put these away later. And she sells so many cute items, like I mentioned before, even phone cases, custom phone cases if you'd like. She had passport holders, a calendar. I think I mentioned that before. Just check out the website, or even check out the Instagram. I love everything. It's so me. And I definitely had a fangirl moment when I met her. She's so down to earth. She's very sweet, very easygoing, relatable. She was painting at this meetup that she had at Pop Love. It's a popsicle store in Miami, in the Wynwood area. And she was painting, like, you could take your pieces, whether it was a jean jacket, sneakers, whatever you wanted to paint, and she would paint it for you live at the location, which is super cool. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, look at this box. Yeah, I don't think I have the heart to take it apart. This is such cute packaging. Man, I want to get to this level of packaging I think it's so freaking, oh look, so it has it on this side and then it has it on this side. But this packaging is just so adorable, so adorable. I guess I can store my masks in here as well, just keep them in there. Oh my gosh, I love them. You know what, let's take out the pop socket from here because after this I'm going to use it. So cute. It has like this resin top on it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box for you to check her out in case you're interested. Definitely recommend her art, her pieces. It's so inspirational. It'll bring a smile to your day-to-day lives. She also offers like free wallpapers on her Instagram. Before I go, I want to show you really quickly what I did to my planner. And this is to my Hobonichi weeks. I went ahead and printed on vellum like some of her art and I tipped it into my planner. I loved how it came out. This is one of my favorites, of course, and I think this is how I found her one time. It was like in my For You page on Instagram, and she had painted this mural of Frida Kahlo, and I love Frida Kahlo, and of course that's when I instantly just fell in love with her art and her style. And I think I have one more back here. I just sized it to fit into my Hobonichi, but I love it. Yeah. So this is all printed on vellum and I love how dainty and beautiful it looks. It's perfection. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, fly free. Bye.